Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha with a Scoby. We'll cover everything from preparing your sweet tea to the fermentation process and even bottling. Making your own kombucha at home is a rewarding experience, and it's simpler than you might think. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information to brew a delicious batch. Let's get started on your homemade kombucha journey. First, let's prepare the sweet tea, which is the food for your Scoby. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a clean pot. Once boiling, remove from heat and add 4 to 8 tea bags, or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, remove the tea bags and stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's fully dissolved. It's crucial to let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature before the next step. Now it's time to set up your fermentation vessel. Pour the cooled sweet tea into a 1-gallon glass jar. Add 8 to 10 cups of cool, filtered water to dilute the tea and ensure the temperature is safe for your Scoby. Next, add 1 to 2 cups of strong starter liquid from a previous batch or unflavored store-bought kombucha. Carefully place your Scoby into the liquid. Finally, cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or tea towel, secured with a rubber band, to allow airflow while keeping contaminants out. Allow your kombucha to ferment for 7 to 14 days at a room temperature between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin tasting around day 7. It should be mildly sweet and slightly vinegary. Once it reaches your preferred flavor, carefully remove the Scoby and set aside 1 to 2 cups of the fermented tea as starter liquid for your next batch. You can then bottle your kombucha, optionally adding fruit or juice for a second fermentation to create carbonation, before chilling and enjoying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.